In this video, we'll show you how to link reporting classes via the account keys feature. So let's just start by going to the analytics option and then selecting the data option. So I'll start by showing you where the account keys are set up. So all the reporting classes which are loaded for your selected profile contains an account key column which you can set up for each reporting class, and this account key basically refers to your chart of accounts and the account numbering format that you have. So you'll see that the underscore character is used as a placeholder for a single character. It can be anything, and then the plus character is used as a wildcard, which means all characters or any character after the last character included. So those are the two wildcards that can be used to set up your account keys for each reporting class. So let's just go back to the data option, and then this time we'll select the link classes via account keys option. This is basically what we're doing. So you set up your keys on each reporting class, and then you just click the proceed button, and all the classes based on that account key will then be set up automatically. There's a few examples of wildcards in the text below, where you can see a few examples of how to set up your account keys. But once you've done so, you basically just click proceed, and then you get a report which indicates how many records have been updated for each of the classes that is loaded on that profile. In this case, there will be none because we've already set up the classes in this example. So you just go back to data options, and yeah, it's the link classes via account keys. So that just makes it very easy to link your accounts to our predefined reporting classes, which then feed into your management accounts.